Hey folks, Robbie Gale here with Myrtle Beach Chrysler Jeep. I am sitting in a brand new 2026 Jeep Gladiator. Today we're going to talk about pairing your phone to the car's Bluetooth. Now, please note that this process will actually also work on the Jeep Wrangler as well. Now, to start pairing the phone to the vehicle, the first thing you're going to do is come over here to your radio. The best and easiest way to find this is by pushing the phone button right there on the screen. Now, if you've never paired a phone before, it's going to ask you if you want to pair a phone. But let's assume you already have a phone paired and you want to pair another one. You'll see this screen right here. What you'll do is you will hit Device Manager, and then you will hit Add Device in the bottom left. So from there, it's going to ask you to start the pairing process on your phone. From here, on our phone, we're going to turn on our Bluetooth, and we're going to search for Bluetooth devices on the phone, or on the vehicle, I'm sorry. As we scroll down on our phone, we will see that that vehicle is showing up right here. Now, it is going to give us a quick display on the screen asking whether or not we have the same pin. As long as you have the same pin, hit the pair button, and you are all set. It'll ask you a few questions. Would you like to sync your favorites and contacts? Completely up to you as to what you'd like to do. However, if you hit allow, it is going to sync all of that stuff up and make it very quick and easy to use. Folks, that's it. Bluetooth has been paired. From here, you can choose to connect to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if you choose. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.
Bobby Gale, Myrtle Beach Chrysler Jeep. We're gonna win you over.